Hey everyone, welcome to Shadow English Podcast with Khan, your space to learn to speak fluent, confident English using the shadowing method. Today, I'm giving you something powerful, something that can actually transform the way you sound when you speak English. It's called the 7-Day Shadow English Pronunciation Challenge. For the next 7 days, I'll help you fix your pronunciation step by step, using one of the most effective language learning tools ever created, the shadowing method. If you've ever felt shy or nervous because people couldn't understand your English, or if you've ever thought, my accent is too strong, this challenge is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to practice each day, how to pronounce English naturally, and how to sound confident, even if you're not a native speaker. So get ready, grab a notebook, and let's begin our 7-day journey to clear, confident pronunciation. Why pronunciation is more important than grammar. Let me tell you a truth that many learners don't realize. Pronunciation is more important than grammar. You can make a few grammar mistakes and people will still understand you, but if your pronunciation is unclear, even perfect grammar can't save you. Communication starts with sound. Think about how children learn. They listen, they copy, they repeat. They don't know grammar, yet they speak perfectly after some time. That's because their brain builds muscle memory for pronunciation. Now, as adult learners, we can do the same, and shadowing helps us achieve that. The goal is not to sound perfect. The goal is to sound clear, confident, and natural. And the amazing part, you can start hearing improvement within 7 days if you follow this plan daily. Quick reminder, what is the shadowing method? If you're new here, let me quickly explain what shadowing is. Shadowing means you listen to a native English speaker and repeat immediately after them, almost at the same time. You don't stop, you don't pause, you don't translate. You simply listen and speak along, like a shadow following the sound. This method was originally developed for interpreters, people who have to listen and speak in real time. But now it's one of the most powerful techniques for language fluency and pronunciation training. When you shadow, you train your ears to hear correct sounds. You train your mouth muscles to copy the rhythm and stress. You train your brain to think directly in English, no translation. So by shadowing, you're literally rewiring your mind for English pronunciation. How the 7-Day Pronunciation Challenge works. Here's the plan. For the next 7 days, you'll focus on one pronunciation skill each day. Every day you'll 1. Listen to my examples in this video. 2. Repeat them out loud, shadowing. 3. Record yourself, and 4. Review for improvement. Just 15-20 minutes a day, that's all it takes. By the end of 7 days, you'll feel a clear difference. Your English will sound smoother, more rhythmic, and much easier to understand. All right, let's begin our challenge. 7-Day Pronunciation Training Plan. Day 1, Rhythm and Stress, the music of English. English is a stress-timed language, meaning some words are strong and others are weak. In your native language, maybe every syllable sounds equal, but in English, rhythm creates the melody. Listen and shadow these examples. I want to go home. She works every day. We have to leave soon. Repeat each one twice with pauses. When you say them, emphasize the capitalized words, those are stressed. That stress gives your English a natural flow. Practice 5 minutes daily with rhythm exercises. Day 2, Vowel sounds, the heart of pronunciation. English has 12 main vowel sounds, more than most languages. If you don't pronounce vowels correctly, even native speakers may misunderstand you. For example, ship and sheep, one short, one long. Full and fool, same thing. Now shadow with me. This ship is small. This sheep is white. The cup is full. He's a fool for love. Repeat twice. Don't rush, focus on the sound difference. Vowels are the soul of English pronunciation. Day 3, linking words. Speak like a native. Native speakers don't speak word by word, they connect everything. Instead of saying, I want to eat it, they say, I want to eat it. Instead of give me a minute, they say, give me a minute. Listen and shadow these. Right, what are you doing? Right, gimme that pen. Right, I don't know. Right, see you tomorrow. This connection is called linking or connected speech. It makes your English smooth and natural. Practice this by shadowing movie dialogues or short clips daily. Day 4, ending sounds. Don't cut your words. Calmly. One of the biggest mistakes learners make is dropping the final sound of words. For example, saying bes instead of best or ol instead of old. Those ending sounds carry meaning and make your speech sound complete. Let's shadow. Right, he's the best friend I've ever had. Right, I worked all night. Right, I need that card. Repeat twice. Focus on finishing the word, but gently, don't overpronounce. Day 5, intonation, the emotion of English. Intonation is the rise and fall of your voice. It shows emotion, attitude, and confidence. A question sounds different from a statement. Right, are you ready? Rising tone. Right, I'm ready. Falling tone. Shadow these examples. Right, that's amazing. Right, really. Right, I can't believe it. Right, let's do it. Feel the emotion behind each sentence. Don't just copy the words, copy the feeling. Day 6, speed and clarity, balance both. Many learners think fluency means speed, but that's wrong. Fluency means smoothness, not speed. You can speak clearly and still sound fluent. Shadow with me slowly, then faster. Right, take your time. Right, I'll see you tomorrow. Right, everything going to be okay. Clarity first, speed will come naturally with practice. Day 7, real practice day. Today is your test day, your real practice. Choose a short English clip from a movie, podcast, or even my videos and shadow it 3 times. Record yourself, listen back, and notice how your pronunciation has improved. It's okay if it's not perfect. What matters is that you're speaking English naturally, not word by word, but in rhythm. You've completed your 7-day challenge. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's go over some common pronunciation mistakes and how to fix them. Cross mark, focusing only on accent. White heavy check mark, you don't need a British or American accent. Focus on clear sounds. Cross mark, speaking too softly. White heavy check mark, speak with energy. Confidence improves your sound. Cross mark, ignoring feedback. White heavy check mark, always record yourself and listen back. It's the fastest way to improve. Cross mark, translating before speaking. White heavy check mark, when you shadow, think in English. Focus on sound, not words. After the 7 days, what next? If you completed this challenge, congratulations, you're already ahead of 90% of learners. Now keep shadowing every day for at least 10 minutes. You can use podcasts, YouTube videos, audiobooks, anything in English. The more you shadow, the more automatic your pronunciation becomes. Remember, Sparkle's repetition builds fluency. Sparkle's rhythm builds confidence. Sparkle's practice builds perfection. Outro/motivation. So there you go, your complete 7-day shadow English pronunciation challenge. If you followed along, your pronunciation has already improved. Your speech sounds smoother, your rhythm is better, and you sound more confident. If this lesson helped you, like the video, Comment "I finished the challenge" below. Subscribe to Shadow English Podcast with Khan for more weekly lessons. And remember the golden rule of Shadow English. Listen, repeat, shadow. That's how you master English, one sentence at a time. I'm Khan, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, keep practicing, keep shadowing, and keep shining.